For the same, we have a guest today. It would be my pleasure to welcome Miss Risha, all the way from Muscat, Oman. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to enlighten us about what Independence Day means to you?
Good morning. Independence Day is the day when India got freedom from the British rule, and also it was the day when another new country emerged called Pakistan, which was divided from India on the basis of religion. Thousands of people were killed and millions of people were displaced, but finally India got independence at midnight on 14th of August 1947, which was declared by late Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. All the freedom struggles made this got possible.
Since you have been working in Oman, we would like to know how does the Indian citizens working abroad feel when it's their country's patriotic day, which is our Independence Day.
Nearly 6 lakh Indians live in Oman. Independence Day of India is also celebrated in Oman in Embassy of India and at Indian schools. Embassy of India, Muscat also celebrates Independence Day of India every year, and the Ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman hoists the national flag in the morning at the premises of embassy in the presence of over 500 members of Indian community. Independence Day is also celebrated at Indian schools. The school program commences with the school band playing national anthem, which is followed by the flag hoisting and also the patriotic songs. The dances and the acts which are performed by the children shows and portrays the struggle of freedom fighters and also shows the tribute to the soldiers who continue to protect our motherland. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious time. It was our pleasure to hear your valuable thoughts on such a patriotic topic. It was spoken by our late Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, and a brief video about our Independence Day.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause of humanity.